Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Khizar. Today in this video I am going to share about various ways of earning opportunities available at Mall 91 app. As we all know that Mall 91 is an e-commerce platform promoting business through network marketing and referral system, from which the users of this app will get the referral benefits. This is not the only way of earning available at Mall 91 app. There are other ways too through which the user can earn and generate income from this platform. So let's see how it is. To understand the various income opportunities available at Mall 91 application, let us classify earning opportunities as cash earnings and M-point earnings. So let's see how we can earn and take the benefits from Mall 91 app. So coming to the discussion of cash earnings, there are various ways of earning cash income from this application. So number one is the referral system. In this you recommend or refer this app to others from which you get paid from the company. Already on this a detailed video is being made. You can check the link given in the description and watch the video. In my previous video, I have explained you about 15 levels of income and how you can earn up to 1,60,000 of income by just reaching level 4. The next type of income that can be made from this app is through Part-Time 91. This is the mini app of Mall 91 which is available here itself in the app. I hear from many people that they don't want to refer to others as they feel this is very difficult task, but it is not so difficult. But anyways, for such people, this is a very good opportunity given by Mall 91. As of now here, if you see in the app, it is providing opportunity of earning through various ways. The number one opportunity here available in Part-Time 91 is Courier 91. You can start your own courier business and earn up to rupees 50,000 by becoming their courier partners. The second income opportunity available at Part-Time 91 is telecalling opportunity, where it says that you can earn up to 50,000 per month from your home through completing the given task of calling users for downloading KAIL 91, that is the Swadeshi app. In telecalling opportunity itself, there are a lot of different projects given. You can take up any of these projects like reinstalling of Mall 91, order confirmation or expiry of wallet, telecalling opportunity. All these opportunities are available on this platform, that is Part-Time 91. So take the benefit of this app and earn income as per your convenience from your home. If you have not yet installed the app, install it right now from the Play Store and start your earning from this app. If you do not have the referral code, you can use my referral code given in the description or watch my previous video where I have explained you the complete process of installation and usage of the app. The link is also available in the description. So far we have discussed about two cash earning sources, that is referral system and Part-Time 91, where we discussed 5 different categories of earning opportunities in Part-Time 91. The next way of earning money from this app is through sharing the products and offers of Mall 91 to your contacts. If you share any product or offer of Mall 91 to your friends, family members or in your contacts, and if they purchase the product, you get a part of commission on every purchase made by them. The fourth way of earning cash income from Mall 91 app is through your downline in the network. As you had referred the app for others and they had installed the app with your referral code, they became your downline in the network and you got a commission, that is the referral income. Apart from this income, if they purchase any product from the app, you get a part of commission from every purchase made by them. Here is the proof of earnings made by people from their downline, where their downline had purchased the products from this app and they have received the order earnings. So your downline and network team can give you two earning opportunities. One is if they refer others, you will be paid as a part of referral commission, and second is you can earn on their purchase from the app. And the good thing here is no one is charged extra. The commission shared to you is from the profit earned by the company. Apart from these earning sources, you can make money from this app from different activities, that is from daily scratch card, spin, try your luck, from which you can earn either small amount in your wallet or M points. The video is becoming lengthy with just discussing income part on cash earnings. As I told you, you can even earn through M points in this application. So let me just point out in this video how you can earn from M points, and in the next video I am going to cover in detail about the M points. So here is a list of earning opportunities from the same app. You can earn M points through Live 91, TV 91, Scratch Card, Tournament 91, Adda 91, then Angrezi 91, News 91, Wall 91. You can spin the roll and Game 91. So these are the various ways through which you can earn the M points from this application. I will make a separate video on what is the M point, how you can earn it, and how you can use it in Mall 91 app. Stay tuned with this channel, and to get the latest updates, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you find this video informative, like the video and mention in the comment section and share with others. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.